Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today at Galle Face Colombo, which is one of my favorite places in all of Sri Lanka because they have a lot of Sri Lankan street food here, and I am gonna be taking guests with me. And before we start this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. So Galle Face is basically a long stretch of land by the beach, and this is centuries old, and this is in the heart of Colombo, as you can see by all the buildings and new construction that's happening. And this is basically a place where locals and also tourists gather around every single evening to just have some food, just relax and go for a walk and just basically chill. And they have a lot of street food, like I mentioned, and I'm gonna be trying a few today. What you see right now, it's mostly isto vade, which is vade is something that is super popular in Sri Lanka. You can find it anywhere. Galle Face, you can find a lot of isto vade, which is shrimp or prawn vade, and this is how they make it. They add this gravy, some lemon juice, onions, cabbage, carrot, and it tastes so good. And we tried several places and they all taste amazing. Vade is basically a savory treat which is super popular in Sri Lanka. Next, I needed to try some kottu. Kottu is one of the most popular dishes in Sri Lanka, and you have a few places that does kottu here, and this particular place they do kottu, naan, just a lot of different things, fried rice, and you guys can see in a bit how they make the kottu, and I will explain to you what kottu is and all of that good stuff. Everything here is extremely cheap. Everything at Galle Face is super cheap. The vades are usually around, you get 3 vades for 100 rupees, which is less than $1, and the kottu we had was 350 rupees, which is just under $2. So as you can see, they're preparing the veggies for the kottu. Basically they fry onions and all that stuff and then add godamba roti, which is a really yummy roti, and they add some gravy, sauce, and chicken, egg, mutton, whatever you want, and you could also add some cheese and all that stuff, and it is so delicious. And they chop it all up and mix it really well using a pair of blades. This is what our kottu looks like. The portions are pretty big, so you can definitely share. And we also got some naan and also this cuttlefish curry, which was pretty good. I had to show you guys the sunset because the sky that evening was absolutely stunning. You could usually see a really beautiful sunset, but today was a bit cloudy for that, unfortunately. So after the kottu, I really wanted to have some acharu, which is usually pickled fruit, which is extremely popular in Sri Lanka, and it's one of my personal favorites. Basically, it's fruit mixed with a lot of different flavors. It's mostly sweet and sour and also salty, which is a wonderful combination. This is the view from Galle Face into Colombo by night. It is so stunning. Colombo is developing every single minute. It's developing so fast and the view is just incredible. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a comment and like this video, and also subscribe to my channel, and please stay tuned for more videos like this.